Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I have here my new releases coming out this Friday, August 16th for my 3-year anniversary sale. My shop has been around for 3 years, which is crazy. So excited. So I've got a few new collections to commemorate that. And now every order that is placed for the sale or even after the sale will receive this freebie that includes actually some deco from the Paris collection, some swatches and some dots, as well as some script and icons. Gosh, oh my goodness. And this is printed on premium white matte paper. Words are hard right now. Okay. First collection is one that I've started doing and I hope to do every month from now on, are the dates collection. So these are the September dates, and each of these dates is basically the day, month, year, and then the brush lettered day of the week, and they come in 2 sizes. So we have the 5 by 6.25 and then we have the 3.5 by 4.5, and they can come in either clear matte or white matte. Then the next collection, these are out of order, is one you already saw me use in my plan with me this week, is the Paris collection. So these are the deco stickers, all hand painted by me using fountain pen ink. Then the matching swatches and dots. I love being able to use the swatches and dots for functional purposes. Then the circles for the deco. And then the quote and washi. I love the washi. It's like just a never-ending view of the Eiffel Tower. And then, I mean, like the bicycle and the baguette and the croissant. How could you not? So that is the Paris collection. You can purchase all of these collections either a la carte, so individually, or all together as a collection. And they're available in clear or premium white matte. The next collection is the back to school collection. So I know that there's some kids that are going back in August and some going back in September, and I just wanted to commemorate that. But I also love the rainbow colors of this collection. So you've got the books and the scissors. The backpack, I didn't mean for it to look like this, but it looks like one of those cartoon faces where the kids' bangs are covering their eyes, and that's their nose and that's their mouth. And now I can't unsee that. And then you have the dots and swatches in all of the colors, the circles, and then the quote and washi. And I just want to say, I love that washi. I love that. So cute. So that is the back to school collection. Next, we have the next in my Birth Flower series for August. It is the Gladiolus. And I loved painting these with fountain pen ink, but also really testing myself in terms of drawing them. So that is the deco sheet. And then the matching dots and swatches, the circles, and then the quote and washi. What I like about, or the reason why I do my collections in this format, is because I really like having all the functional as well as the deco all matched together, so you're not having to search through so many different things in order to decorate your spread. And you can either, some people just buy this and are able to decorate a spread that way, or I'm able to make this last like for my weekly as well as my daily. So I love that. So that is the Gladiolus collection. Next, we have the pink collection, and this looks a little different from the others because this I wanted to be really versatile and neutral as well, so that you could use this at any time of year. And these are mostly decorative. So you have the deco leaves, again, hand painted by me. And if you're curious, the ink that I actually used to paint this was Sailor Ink Studio 273, which unfortunately I'm all out of, but I absolutely love them. And then you have the matching dots and swatches, the circles, and then the ink swatches. So this collection really is meant to be versatile, and for those who are more minimalistic with their planning, this collection could really last you quite a while in terms of how much deco you could use throughout, all of your spreads. So that is the pink collection. The next one is the gray collection. Somebody had commented that they wanted to see something with gray fountain pen ink, and I said, yes, bring it on. So I painted this gray collection, which I think is great for anyone who wants to have, you know, just the occasional gray deco here and there. But I mean, it's great if you also want to have a monochrome collection. So you have the deco, the dots and swatches, the circles, and then the ink swatches. I love the ink swatches, especially on the clear matte sticker paper. It just looks like it's been painted on your actual journal spread. So that is the gray collection. And last but not least, we have the brown collection. And I know there's so many different shades of brown, so I might do this collection again in the future with a different tone brown, but I don't know what I'd call it. So we'll see. So you have the deco here, and then the matching dots and swatches, the matching circles, and then again, the ink swatches, which I absolutely love. So that is the brown collection. Oops, so there are all the stickers and collections being released for this month, and they will all be released on Friday, August 16th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And you can use the code Happy Anniversary to get 20% off until Monday. What day is that? 17, 18, August 19. Goodness. I just want to thank anyone and everyone who's ever supported my shop, whether it's by liking a post, sharing a post, buying collections from me. I fully appreciate everyone's support. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know which one your favorite is. But also, out of these collections, like the color collections, let me know what other colors you'd like to see in that same collection, that same type of format as well. All right, once again, thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks again, and have yourselves a great day.